Hello everyone, my name is Will. I'm making this video because I bought a Roborock T7. I bought it in mainland China online and I got it shipped to Hong Kong. And I discovered it when I received it in Hong Kong that it's not compatible outside of mainland China. So if you got the international version, there's no problem. But if you get the mainland version, you will see something like this after your normal setup. If you follow the instruction, it says that your robot vacuum is a mainland China version and it cannot be used outside of mainland, including Hong Kong. And if you have one and you're not in mainland China, if you're in US, in Australia, or anywhere in the world, you will have the same problem. So I spent almost 3 hours looking all over the internet for the answers, and I didn't find anything very helpful on YouTube. There were a few videos on YouTube teaching you how to do it, but they are all outdated. I tried all those methods and it didn't work, so I went online and I found a forum. The process is quite complicated. That is why I'm making this video to help people who need this. So the other method that I saw was to install the Mi app on your computer, but that's not very helpful even if it really works. For this method, you will be able to use your phone like you would normally do. So let's get started. So I found this on a Chinese forum, which they linked to a Russian website, which is really weird. I don't know why they do that, but it is what it is. So if you open up the Russian website, it looks like this. It's all in Russian and I don't understand Russian. So if you click translate in English, it's going to turn into English. But we come to this page is just to get the password, which is this one. For now it's 7549845563, but it might change. So if it changes, this is the website you want to come to get the new password to open the next page for the subsequent download. So note that it says entering a name is not necessary. So this is a website, kabiba.ru, which I will put in the link down below. Okay, after you have this password, you can go to the second link that I would be putting, which is to download the APK of the Mi Home app. So we download this online because it's somehow tweaked. It's a little different from those you download directly from the App Store. So this is the address. It's gonna ask me to enter the password. So like the previous page, it says the username is blank, and then I'm gonna paste the password here and I'll press sign in. So with this, it will allow me to go in. So there's so many old versions. So this page is about downloading previous versions of Mi Home. Mi Home is by Xiaomi. So if you scroll all the way down, you can look at the dates here, and you can see that there's a new latest version here, 2021 February. And make sure to get the APK file, not the text file. This APK file is what you would install on your Android phones. So I'm not sure how you do it with an Apple. So if you are an Apple user, I'm guessing you do similar methods, but in the Apple way. But this video is focused on Android phones. So if you press this and download it, you're gonna have the APK file. And with that, I've already downloaded that, so I'm not going to download a new one. With that, if you copy this and transfer it into your Android and then open it and install it on your phone. Delete the previous one, delete the one that you downloaded from the Play Store, and install the one that you downloaded, the VEVS version. This is what you want. So after installing that, you're gonna need another one, because after install that, you can link up your Roborock just like how would you do with normal Mi app. But if you go back to the main page and try to start it, it's still going to show you that it's not supported outside of mainland China. What we need is another plugin, what they call a plugin. So a plugin is, you can get it from another link. If you look down there, this one. So if you put in this link, you're gonna see all kinds of zip files, but all these are for different version of Roborock. So for me, I am using the T7, and the latest one would be the T7 Pro. I didn't get a T7 Pro, but for your information, if you are using T7, I found out on this page that for T7, download the 1000.930 zip file. For T7 Pro, download the 100.2405. So it depends on what version you use. You're gonna download it from this link. So I'm gonna download the 930. After downloading that, I'm gonna unzip it. So I'll assume that you know how to unzip a folder. So right click, extract. After pressing extract, and it will become a folder that looks like this, 100.930. There's an Android folder inside. So this is what you want to copy. After copying, you're gonna plug in your Android into your computer and access the file inside. So what you want to do is you go to storage, emulated, and then Android data, com.xiaomi.smarthome files, plugin, all the way. All these files are inside your phone. So there will also be a same folder called Android, and you want to right click and paste the new Android folder that you extracted into the one that you have on your phone, and it's gonna ask you if you want to replace it. So just press yes to all and replace it. After replacing, if you go back to your app, it's gonna work normally. So you can have all the floor drawing functions and the strength of the fan, and without this you cannot control the strength of the fan and the strength of the water for your mopping function. You cannot set schedule, things like that. So this is critical for it to work. So thanks a lot to this website, and I'm able to use this amazing machine, and I just tried it today, and it cleans so great, and it mops so great too. And the variety that you can set on the app is amazing. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you have any questions, leave it down below. Thank you.